Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and taking good care of yourselves. So friends, just wanted to share that I've got my new range and it looks excellent. So this was it which I just did today and I'm so happy. It is really very nice to have a new range. So hope you enjoy this clips what I captured for you all today. So watch and like it and let me know how did you like this coil one. I really liked it. So this was it for today and I'm happy. So here I've come to Lowe's over here and my owner said just go and look at it. How do you like it? And so I'm going there and we'll see how it is. Just look at the decoration stuff. It's so cute. Look at this. This is so nice. I just love baby Jesus in the crib and they are praying over here. So nice. Oh, I really love this. So this is the one which my owner ordered. So this is the Amana. It is Whirlpool Amana. It is $6.99. And if you buy it, there's a special value for $179, but that doesn't apply to me. So it's $6.99, almost 700. And this is it, like this. Really nice. And just see, once you place a vessel or something to cook, it'll really go down. Just look at it. So when there's something cooking, it'll be so good. I liked it. This is how it looks from the inside. Not bad, it's excellent. It will be good to cook on a new appliance. So first I thought I would buy this and this was $999, almost $1,000. But look at this, this is so big and my griddle and all doesn't fit in over here, so it is too big. This is again very big and these are only warm zone. It only keeps the dishes warm. So it was not worth it, so I really didn't feel that this was needed. So the drip bowls I just bought extra and I got it for $13 something and there are 5 in it and it will really be useful. Even with the mess I make while cooking, it will save it. And these are electric burner liner set, which if you put it inside these, it will really, whatever falls or whatever oils are there, it will just fall. And these are really good. So I went to buy these two things and it's a good deal. This is the last time I've just cleaned up everything for this range and it goes like this. I just broomed the floors. The floors are looking good for the new installation. Looking so good. So it's all clean. I've broomed over here and this is how the dust comes. There's always white dust because we make tortillas and all, so it is all cleaned up and all ready for the new one. Bye bye range, it's 10:10 and they said they'll come between the time from 10 to 2. So I'm waiting and here is all the mess which happened. See how much of dust comes out. I never knew that this much dust was behind the range from old people, from every apartment people who lived here and went. Just see the dust. It is so much. So the new one is installed and it looks like this, and now I'm trying to cook some tortillas. It's looking so good, and we'll try it. It's burning so hot, and this doesn't regulate the heat. It's just hot and hot every time. It's very heat. Here I've cleaned up. It's looking so pretty. Just see the heat. It's nice. The tortillas will get cooked in one second. It's that. Just see the smoke. I just love it. See, this doesn't becomes regulating. It doesn't cool down or no. It just becomes very hot, and it's nice. Just look at it. It's cooking so well. It got cooked so nicely. I'm really very happy. New range, new things. Good. So friends, this was it, and I'll sign off now, and I'll meet you in the next video. If you have watched my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. I make good videos over there, and I give the live updates there too. And have a blessed day and enjoy your holidays. Bye.